You simply need to merely push the button, and the hair can be tremendously easy far away from the cat hairbrush. Moreover, our canine grooming brush is washable, which could be stored in clear. There are numerous items accessible to brush for short-haired dogs, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best brush for short-haired dogs from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Hertzco Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for Dogs. Voted Finest General for 2022 by Spruce Pets, trusted by thousands and thousands of pet house owners. Reduces shedding, detangles, removes grime and particles, retains coat drying shiny and wholesome. Merely retract bristles with the push of a button, then wipe away collected fur. Fantastic, angled bristles, ergonomic consolation grip, and push-button retraction make it simple to maintain your pet drying, completely satisfied and wholesome. Nice for cats and canines of all fur sorts. Number 2. Mucolor Pet Grooming Brush. Mucolor Pet Grooming Brush successfully reduces shedding by as much as 95%. It's a really perfect pet grooming instrument, and canine brush hairbrush for shedding all sizes of cats and canines, short, medium and lengthy hair canine comb. This shedding brushes frees you from annoying hair throughout your own home or automobile. Mucolor Cat Brush and Canine Brush permits canines and cats to have snug expertise. If there may be any downside for pet brush, we offer a whole return or refund service. Our pet comb has 4-inch stainless combs, metal edge with uniformly distributed tooth, make it a great grooming comb for cats and canines, rapidly, and simply removes free undercoat hair, on the identical time, successfully comb deeper fur, and stimulate the pores and skin blood circulation. Our canine cat shedding brush is eco-friendly, non-toxic, non-polluting, secure to make use of. Ergonomic non-slip deal with, make this pet shedding brush sturdy and robust, slot in hand completely for shedding. Number 3. Beaker Pet Grooming Brush. If you're bothered by pet shed hair in every single place, or are prepared to offer a pleasant present to your pet proprietor pals, we advocate it. You'll be happy with the comb set. After 3 years of buyer monitoring and suggestions, we've got re-improved the tooth density and size of the metallic grooming brushes to extra successfully cut back shedding in younger and previous canines and cats. All metallic shedding combs have hard-to-reach locations like tails, faces, and so forth. However, silicone 5-finger grooming glove deal with these locations properly. Our pet hairbrush set will successfully cut back shedding by as much as 98%. Our silicone pet grooming gloves are double-sided design. You need to use the metallic brush and gloves on the identical time to get the perfect grooming ends in the shortest time and save your time. Additionally, the gloves are left-handed pleasant. Number 4. Groomer's Best Small Combo Brush. Developed with professional groomers for on a regular basis, de-shedding, detangling and eradicating small mats on cats of all coat sorts. Ergonomically designed deal with permits for optimum consolation and management. Options 2 brushes and grooming actions in a single. One aspect accommodates chrome steel suggestions with a protecting coating to take away a loose hair and detangle coat. The opposite aspect has dense nylon bristles to redistribute pure oils for a wholesome, shiny coat. Number 5. Dog Grooming Brush. Canine Therapeutic Massage Brush with quite a few comfortable nubs, will guarantee no scratching therapeutic massage. Pet Shampoo Brush for canines or cats will make the showering a lot simpler. Comfortable canine brushes for shedding are simple to clean up, simply take away the hair and rinse. Rubber Grooming Brush will gently take away free hair, mud and grime. Well-made, compact pet grooming brush with loop deal with completely matches the hand.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.